Hello guys, it's Coach Tim at nandito ngayon ang ating Seacrest CEO para bigyan tayo ng good news. Take it away, boss!
Hey guys, it's me Juston, your CEO. Isa na namang napaka-exciting Seacrest Day guys. I just want to let you know that we will have a mid-year sale promo starting June 6 hanggang June 13.
Wow, that's nice! Ano po ang promo?
So if you avail any membership package, we will double the products. Yes, dodoblehin natin yung marireceive mo na produkto at no extra cost. You get money value premium seaweed products and syempre, you will save more with huge discounts because of our program.
Amazing! Ano po masasabi nyo sa mga naghihintay?
We've got hundreds of people na naka-line up na. So nakaka-excite kasi huwag ka magpapaiwan, alright? So follow our Facebook page, Seacrest Wellness Inc. And of course, join our Seacrest community. Okay guys? So God bless and I'll see you on top. More power guys.
Ayan, kaya get your membership activated sa promo para hindi nyo ma-miss ang napakagandang opportunity na to. Kaya let's go!